Well guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I've had a lot of people tell me I should do a 12-minute tune on my Speed Twin after I did the exhaust. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get to it. It's a fairly easy process, and when it's done I'll take it for a spin, see if some of the D-cell popping is eliminated or not. If it doesn't help, I can always try the Tune ECU program, get my hands on that and give that a whirl. But for now, let's just do this easy trick and see if it works. Alright, first thing to do is start the bike without touching the throttle and let it run until the fan comes on. And then start your countdown of 12 minutes. I'll probably go 13 just to be safe. And then after that, you just turn the ignition off. So don't kill it with the kill switch apparently, and do not touch the throttle. So let's see what this does. It's 100 degrees today, so I bet the fan will come on pretty darn fast. Don't touch the throttle, Dusty! Well, 12-minute tune my ass. It took about 10 to 15 minutes just for my fan to turn on the first time. But we're getting close to the 12-minute mark, so I'll be shutting it down in a few minutes here. Alright, let's see what this 12-minute adaptive tune does. May not do anything. Oh, it feels so good to be on this thing. It's been a while. Moto Guzzi. Well guys, in my honest opinion, I do not think 12-minute tune did anything for the deceleration popping. It sounds exactly the same as it did. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't know. It'd be cool if it didn't do that. I'm sure the dB killers, if I put those back in, it would cut down on the popping for sure. I don't notice the deceleration popping is bad at higher speeds, maybe just because I'm deaf and the wind noise blocks it out. Damn, it is too hot to be riding. It's 100 degrees right now in the San Fernando Valley. Gross. So scraped my foot. So I will head home and give you my final thoughts. 12-minute tune my ass. It didn't really do anything. There's tons of D-cell popping. Half hour out of my life, it ended up being not 12 minutes. It's about 15 minutes for my fan to turn on, and I was actually surprised about that because it's 100 degrees out here. But yeah, about half an hour. Didn't really do anything. So, oh well. I could potentially try the Tune ECU program. I'm not really in a rush to do so. It rides fine. If I put the dB killers back in, the popping would probably go mostly away. So I don't mind it. I'm getting more used to it the more I ride. If you're watching this and you're interested in my exhaust that I put on the Triumph, just go right up here. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification if you want. And until next time, I will see you guys later.